Namaste doston, welcome to Royal Craft, and today we are going to make a very beautiful quilling flowers by using these two shades. So I'm having light blue and dark blue colors with me. You can choose any colors that you have. So here I'm having this automatic quiller with me. By using that, I have made a tight coil and then converted it into a loose coil and then given it a marquee shape by pinching it from both the sides. So this way you can achieve this shape. And here I'm having more shapes like this. So you need to make some 7 to 8 shapes like this, and then you need to put it in your hands and fold it like this, and you need to take a dark blue strip, put it inside and then start rolling it outside. And with that, if you're not having an automatic quiller, then surely you can go with the manual quiller that you are having with you, or else you can also roll it with the help of your hands, as I have told this trick in many of my videos, so you can watch it. So here we have got our very first petal. So this way we can create a beautiful petal. So the same way for the other strips also, you have to make these shapes and then convert them into these petals by folding a dark blue shape outside them. If you are having any other shade, then you can do it with that, and even if you are having a single colored strip, then you can make it with that too. So here also I have taken a half strip of light blue and then converted it into a tight coil. So you have to make a tight coil of the half blue colored strip, light blue color strip that I have taken. So here I am putting some glue, and I hope you all are enjoying the process of making this flower and you will try this flower. So do subscribe our channel for more such videos, and this way you have to put the glue on one side of the petal this way, and then you need to stick it around that tight coil. And remember one thing, the tip here is that you don't need to use a lot of glue, because if you use a lot of glue, then it will spill on the sheet or on the other part of the petals. So you have to use very less glue. It's paper, it gets stick easily. And here we have got our flower. So here the final look. You also do try this flower and do share with me how was your experience making that, and do subscribe our channel.